Yo, what's going on, guys? Keys Control 20 here, and today we're gonna be playing Obby, but you're a bird. Let's go ahead and try and beat this game. Looks like we're not gonna go there. Wait, who's this? I guess you start from Evil Dog statue. I think you start from here. Oh yes, you start from here. Warning, poisonous. I'm talking about the floors poisonous. Oh wait, that's the poison. Okay, you start from here. Oh, okay, now I get it, now I see. Okay, now I just wait for that. And I just oofed. And I'm gonna restart that. Welcome to Swag Town. I'm not going to Swag Town, I'm gonna go to the where it was over here. I'm gonna see, like, I wanna see how high I can go right now. Okay, that was almost close, but that's still good progress. Come on, I almost could have gotten that. Okay, no. Oh, okay, guys, I just don't know what to do at this point. Like, I'm just trying to focus on this Obby because I'm a bird at this Obby apparently. I guess you go here. Well, I almost stepped into that. I guess I go here, pass the torch, and pass here, go here. Oh, okay. Oh, we go here, I guess. Whoa, I cannot see that. Whoa, okay. I guess you guys have to. And I just did that. Good timing. Whoa, imagine if I just fall. Whoa, okay. That almost got me. I thought I was gonna fall. But we're not gonna fall. We're gonna continue this. Slow and steady. Okay. Slow and steady. Oh, whoa. What is this? Do I just go like over here? Okay. I think I'm getting to the point that I don't know where to go now. Like, do I go like over here? Because my avatar is a bird. I think I'm going the right way. Now, I don't remember this part. I could have went. Oh, that was a bit too close. I guess I go here now. And I go like in that platform. Okay. You guys see that? Well, I see a ladder. Whoa. That almost... I thought I was gonna fall. I see a ladder now. And I don't know what to do at this point. I'm just falling. Oh, I do not want to risk it. Do I just press that? Yes, I just do that. That was a close one. Wind columns. I guess that's what it says. And I go over here. Press that again. And just... I'm at height 210. Oh, wait. Do I just do like this? I guess. And... oh shoot, I'm about to fall. And I gotta redo that again. And go to that platform again, I guess. Jump over here. Am I going the right way? I'm not sure. I mean, I went that way already. Wait, is it that way? Whoa, okay. I guess I go onto the ladder. On top of that ladder. I don't know how. Oh wait, I think I went the wrong way. I think I was supposed to go like here. Yes, I'm supposed to go here. Well, I'll try beat this game next time. As always, like and subscribe. I'll try beat this game again. Peace out.